Good day, I'm Adrian Atkinson and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, July 9. Residents of the New Forest Plumwood farming community in Manchester now have access to electricity for the first time. The roughly 50 families of the area recently celebrated the culmination of a $12 million rural electrification project. Energy Minister Philip Paulwell did the honors and promised to do the same for the remaining 4% of rural communities without light.
We shouldn't have a country in the year 2013 where people don't have electricity. And the mission has to be as quickly as possible.
New Forest Plumwood residents expressed gratitude, saying the streetlights should make life easier for them.
Persons have to go up and down to charge their phones. Everybody knew it, cool drinks, the time is so hot, so we need fan, we need AC. So it's really a wonderful thing to know that the light is here.
The Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica is accelerating the pace of its public sector energy efficiency program with the implementation of 18 new solar projects. The corporation is now inviting bids from local and overseas contractors for the supply of 18 rooftop solar photovoltaic systems. The systems will be installed at 15 schools and 3 public sector agencies. They will collectively deliver 232 kilowatts of peak power and contribute to the overall goal of reducing the country's dependence on non-renewable energy sources such as fuel. The tender process is open to bidders from any country, and interested entities have until Wednesday, August 14 to submit their tenders. Cabinet has approved the award of a contract for the renovation of the Claremont Health Centre as government moves to upgrade it to one of the 4 centres of excellence in primary health care. Work is already far advanced on the physical structure of the other 3, Isaac Barrett in St. Thomas, Darliston in Westmoreland and Santa Cruz in St. Elizabeth. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson says the decision to establish these centres was guided by government's focus on universal access at the primary care level. The improvements to be made include extending opening hours, expanding the waiting areas, upgrading diagnostic services to support screening and treatment, and increasing the number of healthcare professionals. Road and drainage improvement works are progressing satisfactorily in St. James and Trelawney. State Minister for Transport, Works and Housing Richard Azan recently toured a number of projects in the parishes and said the pace of construction was going well. The National Works Agency is executing the works in Falmouth, Trelawney, as well as Granville, Cambridge to Mount Horeb, Leith to Wiltshire and Green Pond in St. James.
We are hoping that if all goes well, if we have good weather, we will be able to complete the project very soon.
Completion of these projects wraps up work under the Jamaica Development Infrastructure Program, JDIP. And finally, more than 200,000 public sector workers and pensioners will benefit from a $1.5 billion savings and rewards program being offered by local superstore chain Megamart. It's meant to acknowledge the sacrifice made by public sector workers who signed a wage freeze agreement in the national interest. The rewards initiative, called Billion Dollar Thank You to Public Servants, will, among other things, provide 3 years of free membership to the Megamart Wholesale Club with special discounts from time to time. Minister with responsibility for the public service, Horace Daly, commended the initiative.
This effort today by Megamart is an effort that we all appreciate and we endorse.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Adrian Atkinson. Thanks for watching.
I'm on the mission.
It's a celebration.
JIS turning the big 5-0.
July is our celebratory month. Jamaica, join us as we reconnect with your favorite past presenters.
Hello and welcome to Jamaica Magazine.
Hear the stories of past and long-standing team members.
I fell in love with the Jamaica Information Service and all that it offered.
It's the JIS at 50, an agency on a mission.
I'm on the mission. A mission today.